So hello students, hope all of you are doing well. So today we are doing SAT and the topic which we are going to discuss is solving of linear equations, and the subtopic is that how to write an equation, how to form an equation. So let us begin. So hello students, the first question of writing equations is 18 more than a number n is 125. What is the value of n? 18 more than a number n, so n plus 18 is 125. What is the value of n? So you can simply find n by subtracting 18 from both sides. You get 107. Next question. 20 is 7 less than twice the number w. 20 is equal to, is means should not equal to 7 less than twice w minus 7. What is the value of w? Now adding 7 on both sides, you get 20 plus 7 equals 2w. So 27 equals to 2w implies w equals to 13.5. Next question is 9 less than twice x is 3 more than x. Let us read it again. 9 less than twice x, so twice x minus 9 is 3 more than x, means x plus 3. Now, how to simplify this? Simply subtracting x from both sides, you get 2x minus x, and adding 9 on both sides, you get x equals to 12. Question number 4. 8 less than 4 times the number c. 4 times the number c minus 8 is 20. What is the value of c? So this is 4c equals to 28 by adding 8 on both sides, then dividing by 4, we get this 7. The sum of 4 consecutive odd integer is 296. What's the greatest of the 4 odd integers? When they're talking about odd integers, it means, let us suppose that the first odd integer is n, then second will be n plus 2, third will be n plus 4, then we have n plus 6. When I find the sum, I get 4n plus 12, which is equal to 296. Find the greatest, so we need to find n plus 6. Now what we do, first of all, we divide both sides by 4, so n plus 3 equals to 296 by 4, that gives you 74. Then adding 3 on both sides, 3 plus 3 equals to 77. It means n plus 6 is equal to 77. So 77 is the answer. No need to find it. Straight away, find n plus 6. Let us go to question number 6. The sum of 3, 4 of a number a and 24 is negative 9. It means 3 by 4a equals negative 33. It means a equals to negative 44. We have just multiplied both sides by 4 by 3. So a is the correct choice. A number g is decreased by 23. A number g is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by half. So multiplied by half, the result is 8 more than twice the number g. 8 more means plus 8, twice the number g. Now multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get g minus 23 equals to 4g minus 16. Then we simply write subtracting 16 from both sides, we get minus 23 minus 16, and then subtracting g from both sides, we get this. So minus 39 equal to 3g. It simply means that g is equals to minus 30. Again, we have option number A. Now the last question, the quotient of P and Q is 12 less than 3 times the sum of P and Q. The quotient of P and Q is 12 less than 3 times the sum of P plus Q. 3 times the sum of P and Q minus 12, so we get C as the answer. Unknown. So, hope this session is clear to you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching this session. Do like it, share it and subscribe it. Bye-bye.